Okay. What's going on, everybody? My name is Zach, and I'm super out of focus. Hey, there we go. Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Zach. This is Adler Entertainment. If you're coming from Twitch, and Zonk if you're coming from YouTube. We got another dev stream for y'all today. Sorry for missing the last couple of days. I think that was Friday and Monday. Life happens, but we're back today. We're gonna do a little bit of a quick stream just to get some dev stuff going. A couple things though before we get into it. Hey, what's good, RD? How you doing? Welcome back. Man, now you're good. Now you're here. It's actually a perfect time to say a couple things. So for one, a couple of huge things. We hit 49 subs on YouTube, which is awesome. 72 on Twitch, and the latest clip, which you actually were part of, RD, and on it was Sam's short and the TikTok. We got a lot of views. So yeah, thanks. I'm not gonna lie, I do a lot of this so like y'all can see the game and I can get to know y'all, but I would be lying if I didn't say that. I was like, you know, that's a little confidence boost. I'm glad you guys are enjoying the content. But yeah, like I said, today it's gonna be a pretty quick, or not so much quick, just more like not like a full long ass stream. It's 7:48 p.m. Just want to get some work done on the game. But yeah, so a couple things to talk about before we really get into it. I did a little bit of the UI work off screen because that is kind of my least favorite part of game development, but it needs to be done. So a couple things we need to talk about is how the screen is going to be set up. I initially thought about doing an input box. Listen. They have the idea for agriculture. I'm creating farming. Moreover, I'm revolutionizing the idea of agriculture. It's in the past. Like, Apple didn't invent the computer, but they revolutionized it. It's innovative, as some people even say. I don't agree with those people, but I will become one of those people if necessary. Oops, dude, this BC, man. They're super freaking dead, man. Like, come on, I'm live streaming. There's actual records with my face and name in the social security number reveal at 2,000 subs, dude. It's gonna be huge. No one's gonna forgive me. I'm gonna be the guy that invented farming. But yeah, so I made it so it's just like a slider. Selding is on purpose. Don't worry, I know how to spell sometimes. And you're gonna have a drop-down menu where you can select the potato you want to sell, a little slider that adjusts based on how many potatoes you own, blah, 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 fun stuff. If I was gonna do like plus and minus keys, but I'm kind of thinking about like people who have like these keyboards. Here's a little nerdy fact about myself.
What?
For a brief moment, I got obsessed with building keyboards. This is my first build ever. It broke in a grand total of like a day, I think. Sounds terrible too. Ugh, right here. I put foam in it. I spent like 12 hours lubing this bad boy because I freaked out halfway through. But yeah, this does not have, well, it just does have plus and minus. Some keyboards don't. I'm assuming if you are gaming, you have this. This is like a 60%. Thinking about building another one. Anyway, I was thinking about doing that. But for now, I think a slider works. It's not the really most important thing right now. That's like the tweaking stage. For now, we just want to get this working. So right now, if we look at the cell screen script I've created here, a couple things are going on. We have the owned label, which is this label right here. It tells you how many potatoes that you own. The selling label is how many you're actively selling. The sell slider is what you're sliding to do stuff. I have this game manager. I fixed up the game manager references a little bit, so it uses groups, which if you use another game engine, it's like tags, or specifically Unity, and I think Unreal. I didn't really use tags in Unreal, but this is just basically a way to get nodes pretty easily without like getting direct references. And I have this little refresh function here that updates the own text for the potato if the player has it. This is gonna change where, man, that laugh in the lo-fi is freaking me out, dude. My brother and I were playing a horror game earlier, and I am still on edge from it. It's not a game we'll be playing on stream, as it does actually utilize your own computer's files, like Doki Doki, but 2 billion, so absolutely not. But yeah, it's just pretty simple stuff. Is there gonna be an economy where some days potatoes? Yes, there are. I'm really glad you said that. Hold up. If I open the Notion here, hopefully it's the right one. Yeah. No, this is the other stuff. Don't steal any of these ideas. These are my ideas. Where's it? Dude, actually, where's the Notion? This is insane. Where would it be saved under? Ultimate farming game. I made it a city for some reason. What we need to change this to is a potato. Boom, look at that commerce right there. RD, this is why you belong here. You knew where my brain was at. Yes, we are going to be adding in a stock market to the potatoes where you will be buying and selling. And we're also gonna add in the very realistic, never done before mechanic of economic stress, where you have a monthly cost for the farm. There's water, there's seeds, there's land ownership. You gotta get bullets for the shotgun so you can blow up the bugs, but you need to pay rent on that shit. So that's where we're having it. I'm gonna turn on the lo-fi, it's blowing out my ears again. I'm a sensitive guy. I only listen to lo-fi and classical music played by people who lotion their hands. But yeah, let's see. That's really it. So we're just fixing up the screen today to work because I wrote a couple of to-dos to myself last time I coded this. The real question is, where did I put those to-dos? Yeah, dude, wait, probably here. Another favorite part about Godot is, look at this. You can put to-do in you can put to-do in the, what's it called? The comments, and it highlights it as such. To-do, make it so it toggles the mouse and screen stuff. Should probably add this to the inventory itself. Okay, I'm glad I wrote this. That's actually a really bad idea because I'm pretty sure the inventory component that I created. Yeah, this is primarily for the player. But I'm gonna maybe put inventory. I might make an inventory component for the bugs, because I want it so like the bugs will steal your potatoes if they hit a certain patch. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna set this all in the player, and if the player becomes like too much of a god script, we'll change it up. But for now, let's make it so we can just get like the simple toggle. So cell screen is currently mapped to tab, so we're gonna say, I think it's input.mouse. Mouse mode is equal to input. Yep, there you go. That mouse mode. Let's say visible, like that. Let's add a new thing to our guy here. This is gonna be kind of a weird one because we need to have this kind of. Oh wait, now I remember what I was gonna do. I was gonna put this on the cell screen itself because I want the cell screen to handle this nonsense. I'll split it up. I'll make like the actual toggling action part. No, screw it. Let's just set it on the player for now, just to make my life easier. We'll split it up between like the. Oh yeah, no, that's a perfect way of describing it. Holy shit, dude, can I use that? I might, if I kind of want to build this up to get like to a Steam release, or at least initiate that release, because my other games are not as polished as I want this to be. Oh yeah, no, but I'm totally gonna. I'll give you credit for that, but I would love to use that for the description. And I didn't even realize this on my latest follower little thing here, but let me do the alert. Oh, we got a couple things. RD, I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure that this popped up, but look at. We get a couple little alert for you, RD, for the follow. Humble Handed, get that running right there, replaying it. Thanks for the follow there. And finally, last but not least, CJ Sparks, thank you for the follow. Hey, there we go. I want to make sure we get all those up there too. Perfect. Okay, so open cell screen. We want input the mouse mode to be mouse mode visible, so that actually happens. Can't wait for the big. Once I like kind of get everything worked out with the farming, because I want to get the economics before I get the combat set up. I'm gonna actually finally organize these variables, but for now, we're gonna create a var, call it numlock off is selling. I kind of hate having a numpad, even though it's great for using Blender. It's like weird to use numlock. That's why I had like the other keyboard. I'm thinking right now. If var selling is selling, we're gonna make that a boolean, and by default, it's equal to false. And what this is gonna do is it's going to lock our movement stuff, transform basis. I was trying to remember what that was specifically, but it's going to lock our input event. Oh wait, I don't need to do that because mouse mode captured is what controls that. Sick, thank you, Kids Can Code for the FPS controller. We don't need that. Is selling boolean. Because we're gonna say like if it's captured, we're technically using the UI. Awesome, dude. All right. So we're gonna say that, and we're going to create a signal. Called is selling. Let's try that out. And we will set is selling to be this guy here. Did I? Oh, here we go. Is underscore selling dot connect to main dot, and what we're gonna do here is we're gonna add another function, func on. Let's call that so. Let's call it start cell actually, and we're gonna put that to return a void, and we're gonna have a pass for now because we don't want to do anything. And we're gonna say signal start cell. And if anyone who's seeing this now, so RG and anyone else, I don't have the viewer count up, who could also be watching, but or in the future, if you're coming from a Unity background and you're familiar with the usual God script that is the game manager, which kind of acts as like the control for everything in your game. Similar programming pattern inside Godot, except using signals is a way to kind of clean it up. Because really, this for me, this is a let's see, is liminal the word to use for that? I close my just want to see real quick if liminal is the right word for that. Liminal, occupying. Process. Okay, yeah, liminal is kind of the right word to use it. It kind of acts as a liminal script, and really just talks about signals. Hey, for sure. You know, good on you already for being a good student. Yeah, I hope to see you again. Good luck at school tomorrow and whatever you're doing tomorrow. Peace. Okay. So basically, yeah, main function or the main script just acts as like a liminal script, so signals can talk to each other in a better way. There's a different pattern called the signal bus, which I haven't really tried, but for now this works. So we're gonna say on start cell. What we're gonna do is, I don't know if I put the cell screen. I did not put the cell screen. At on ready var cell screen, and this will be a panel. Or can I do that? Yeah, it's equal to you. And actually, let's access you as unique. So I can do this. Cool. And on start cell, we're gonna set cell screen dot visibility visible is equal to true. Then say back onto our players. Oh wait, and let's also make sure the game pauses itself. So we're gonna say get tree dot pause is equal to true. Oh wait, but then the player won't be listening, huh? Well, actually, I have no idea. Let's try this out. I put this under unhandled input. So if events on the screen.
Oh, and I got the mailing. Oh my god! What is this thing? Oh, I got both mailings.
I can do that here. We're gonna actually have that toggle in here.
Oh my god.
And we'll just say on start cell. Let's get the var is selling. Is it it's a boolean. Let's go to false. Let's hit that right there. And on the on start cell, we're gonna say if is selling is equal to true. Or actually, we want to check to see if it's equal to false. What we want to do is we want to make the input mouse move visible. We want to pause the game, and we want to set the set cell screen to be visible, like so. Dope. let's see what else we got here.
This now, the crescent.
And then for the else, I want to do the opposite, which so put it on mouse mode captured. Cell screen invisible is equal to false, and game pause is false as well. Okay, so that should be it for the cell screen, and we're just gonna say start cell dot emit. Okay, let's see how this functions for us. So we got that little game here. Pressing ooh, okay. Index range based on H slider. Okay. I was using range just to see because like there's two different. Okay, I was wondering about that. Oh, look at that. And tab is unfortunately consumed by our UI here. Okay.
Oh my god! Is this fun?
What? No, that's a feature.
Okay.
Okay, cool. So I have this handled in unhandled input. So let's maybe maybe put this in just a normal input function. I'm pretty sure I have that, yeah. See, oof. That was a lot of errors instantaneously. Let's go here, see how that works. Okay, we're not getting anything here. Let's get a print statement going on here. So we're gonna main first, yeah, because selling. Okay, so selling just doesn't run. I'm assuming because it's taking that right there. Okay, how do we want to play this? That's a real question here. Okay, let's no, screw it. Let's put this in our cell screen. And that's like on the input. Let's go to our player here. Start cell, Control X that. Put that on our cell screen. And go back to our player. This is probably a really bad way to do this, but seems like our menu there had that. So I'm just gonna see if this works, and I'm not gonna double check my code because, dude, what am I, a nerd? Yeah, okay. Cell screen. Player still has this. Oh, yeah. Okay. Like, what's that little sound set to tell me? Oh, no, it's another streamer. Okay. So you're not selling call?
A long shot? Oh, are you serious?
Oh, probably go within cell screen. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's like game pause. That's kind of not doing what we wanted to do. Oh, is it because I'm never selling? It's selling the truth? That might be doing it. Let's see if that actually fixes it, right? Yeah. Nope. Where do I have that quit functionality going? I had to put a UI cancel. Oh, here we go. Unhandled input event. That's. Let's put that here, I guess. Instead of get tree.quit, we'll just say that.
I've already crashed.
Okay, wow. How do we? Maybe there's a different way to use pause, and I'm just not doing it. If true scene tree is paused, 2 and 3 is stocks to include signals in collision detection. Oh. Node process, physics process, and input will not be called anymore in nodes. Okay. We'll quit one, go back. Okay, so there's our initial issue with this.
Okay, yeah.
The problem with that is just, yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Okay, so I'm going to keep this here. Oh wait, but signals too, right? 2D and 3D physics signals. Okay, let's just see. Let's just see if this happens. Yeah. Okay. Oh wait, don't I have to? I think there's like a thing that I have to set where it's like it ticks longer. Process. Pause. Only process when the scene tree is paused. Don't process when unpaused. Stop processing when the scene tree is paused. Never process. That's just like always process. Okay.
I'm just getting so
Hey, look at that. I forgot I added a dash to the game. Oh, you know what? Always process. Always. Unlabel. Okay. I know what to do, I think. You, and you. Some water on you. Some water on you. And then some water on you. And some water on you. Nice, nice harvested for. Nice and nice. Hey, dude, that's huge. Sold 6 buds for 1 monies. Okay. Let's go back to our cell screen here. I'm fine with putting this here, this little bit of input on it. Confirm button pressed. Let's just also start selling it. Probably should change that to something like toggle cell. Change to toggle cell. Maybe. I'll just put like this. Toggles the cell screen. So I think there's one more problem I have here, which is when you sell, because it says we sold 6 spuds for 1 monies. What we need to do is we need to multiply this string of potato kernel value multiplied by string cell slider value, or just that, this number right here. Not you. put that there. There we go. So this is looking better. Get some water. Get some water. Get some water. Get some water. Wait for the potatoes to finish. Okay, you're good. We got 4 from that guy. Got 3, nice. Got 3 from that guy. That guy's tab. We got 15 taters. Should be selling. Boom. Sold 9 potatoes for 9 monies. Oh, look at that. Okay. Oh yeah, and it's not reducing from the should be like sell 15 potatoes for 15 monies. Great. And let's just clean up some of this stuff. I got this high printing. Where is that? That's coming from this main. There you go. Okay. Let's finish off our sell screen here by whenever like the player sells something, we sold blah blah blah, add blah blah blah. What we want to do is, I think, let's get something on the main here. And we're gonna say, let's get another funk on here called funk on sell potatoes. And I don't know what's gonna take from now because I don't remember what my sell function does. We're gonna do a void pass for now so we don't get that annoying error when we don't have code in there. So we're gonna go to our inventory component, sell potato. Oh, yeah, look at that. Add money, revenue, remove potato amount. So all we need is the string and the amount. So we're gonna take this name, that's a string, and AMT, it's a int, and we're gonna say player.get node inventory component dot sell potato, and it's going to take the name. Oh, I can't use name. Potato. It's gonna use potato and empty for amount. And just doing a double check for my own sanity. Great. And that is on sell, right? On sell potatoes. So let's go to our sell screen here and get one more function, signal. Sell potato. Let's connect that to our dot connect. Main dot on sell potatoes. Great. The callable in there. And we're collapsing functions here. Interacted with this. Did I? Yeah, okay. I know why now. Let's open up our potato patch script here. And let's get rid of the print debugs that I have set up here. Oh no, that's the interaction component, isn't it? Interacted emit inventory. Oh boy. So it would be on potato patch. On interact. Oh, which comes from super from building, interacted with that. Okay, at this point I don't care. That's fine. All we really want now though is, I might change that together. It's a little slow for me. Interact. That's 1 potato. That's 5 potatoes actually. That's 2 potatoes. I don't think I've gone 5. Is 5? 5 actually might be the max. We might have gone lucky with that. There we go. Okay, let's get the sell screen. We got 11 potatoes. Let's sell 11. Sweet. So far out for 11 monies. And okay, see, there's a problem right there. I think the problem is on the sell screen, I didn't say, oh no, wait. Oh, start sells at emit. What I didn't do is I didn't emit on or selling potatoes. There you go. I'm gonna do a quick backup too. because I want to just make sure I don't break my game here. Work in progress, sell system backup. Seems to be working. Save for the fact that potatoes aren't being removed. Okay. Let's push that. Okay, let's run that again one more time. Should I? Yeah, okay, cool. Let's get one potato patch going, or a couple potato patches. Water that up to max. I think I should hold that, make that like a hold key. I'm not sure though. Sweet. Selling 5 taters. We're gonna say we're selling, let's say 2. Should give me $2. Let's get a tab. Nope. So screwing up. So yeah, okay. It's still not removing the amount. Sell potatoes gets emitted, which is connected to our main here. Refresh shell screen. Okay. On maybe it's the inventory component. Remove potato. Dropped. Oh, look at that. If blah blah blah. Okay. Let's just let's comment out a couple of these prints here. Potato can't grow. And we don't need this one right now either. We'll just say patches in good condition. Will be our only one. So let's see, potatoes value main. Let's go to the inventory component. Oh, remove potatoes, what it's called. And let's do a print removing. See what's going on there. Oh. Friends Overwatch main got nerfed. That's tough. Should have made Junker Queen, bro. Actually, condition. Let's see. Yep. Let's go. Yep. Selling 5 taters. Selling harvested, profit 2 months. Okay. Look at that. Sell potato isn't being called. Player. Did I get node inventory component? Let's check our player. Oh god. That's sell potato. Oh wait. Is it different on the inventory component? No, it is the same. And the revenue's calculated there as well. Interesting. Let's. Okay. All right. Let's do a print here. Main sell. Come on. There we go. Hey, you see that right there? That main cell isn't running. I wonder if it's because... Yeah. Okay, I think I figured out what's wrong here. And this is gonna be kind of annoying. Because player, its process is set to inherit. Our main node here is not. So, what we're gonna do, and I'm actually gonna take a quick break here because it's gonna be a stupid amount of coding, is we are going to create an economy manager which just manages like selling and stocks and stuff like that. And that's just gonna be, it's not gonna be too bad. I'm just gonna have to remove some functions around. But I need to get a glass of water. Just take a quick brain break. So I'll be back in like 5 minutes. Yeet. That was a lot longer than 5 minutes. I ate dinner, food is now in my stomach. All right, so yeah, just need to make a simple. Excuse me, note here. Also, and this will be our econ manager.
Alright, trial and error.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm just doing it, dude.
2D, here's from now. Just make sure it's in the scripts folder, like so. Create. Class name. Econ manager. That's it. Alright, now we need a couple of things. One is to just close all the other tabs and make sure the main one is open. And also close other tabs. Just to clean up our space a little bit. Good to have a clear mind when we're doing this. And yeah, here we go. So, this is odd. So whenever we press tab, right, on our thing here, I'm assuming it's because since this is always such a process, this happens. Well, okay, another new problem that's persisting now is
Nebula, which I've made. I've literally made every single thing.
Okay.
Oh, that's what you mean. Oh no, I'm talking about the Force of Cosmos. That's the
Okay, maybe I don't want to do this econ manager setup. Because what I do want to do. Yeah, this is odd. I guess.
You know, I'll make a little arena just to make it easier myself because it's probably.
Sorry, I had some hot sauce earlier. My sinuses are not doing it. Okay.
I'm fighting irradiance, bro.
Yeah, because the problem is whenever cell screen does something. Well,
whatever else he gets.
yeah, see,
Oh,
this,
wait, can't he
this is
draw?
kind of weirding me out here. On event UI cancel is press. Start cell is emitted. Like, oh god, that doubles it. Okay. Let's get rid of that for the cell screen. We don't want that to happen. It's just weird that start cell will emit. Here's a way we can kind of BS this actually. We're gonna keep the econ manager for now, but in order to get this just actually working, what we could do. Oh my god. Is this and then this. And then the frames between should be so minimal and unreadable to the human eye that it won't matter. It'll be like, okay, we're immediately just gonna sell this. Let's see, that was 1 spud, 2 spuds, not a good yield, honestly. It's on 3, should give me 2 monies. If I do this, dude, what? Okay, cool. You know, here's the fun thing about that. That just means that.
Oh, I forgot I didn't have my boots on.
Dude. I'm so not smart. We need current potato checked, and we need sell slider. That value in there. Okay. Yeah. And sell potatoes takes a potato. That's a type string, and it takes an amount, which is a type integer. So now, I wonder if this will actually go through. Boop, boop. Okay. Okay, nice. Good yield, actually. Hey, dude. God. Player received 3 spuds. Player dropped 3 spuds. God. Okay. Don't need this emit selling anymore. That's solid. Can actually get rid of a lot of these print segments. Main sell. Don't need that anymore. Can't believe I didn't put anything in there. Oh god. Okay. Yeah. Let's go to our inventory combine here. Let's go here. Oh. Drop 3. Oh, I forgot the little gap in between.
The bomb jump is starting to get some.
So plus in there, and there we go. Boop, boop. That should fix that. Okay, cool. That should be it for the self functionality. And for the econ manager, instead of worrying about it there, what we can do is we can actually just have that manage the stocks. So I'm gonna put that here. Manages the players, manage the in-game stock market. It's almost 9 o'clock. Wow. Manages the in-game stock market and player finances. I wonder if that will just show up now in the docs. No description of this class. Oh, I wonder how you set that up. Whatever. So we'll just set that up for that. Let's back this up on the player thing here.
What the hell kind of hard was
Oh wait, I didn't check actually something very important. What we need to do is we need to that and need to that and
move speed 3, jump height 2, fight time. Holy crap! Yeah. Wow. Very, very.
should be a potato in a second. There we go. And come on. There we go. Selling 4. Selling 1.
What?
Hey, welcome to the chat, Voidify. I don't think I've seen you before. How you doing? Okay. Didn't fix this thing, but we're chilling. Okay. Nice. This is looking pretty good. Last thing we really need to do just to make this a little more, I guess, palatable is mess with the potato patch itself. And I want to make it oh my god, excuse me. I want to make it so when the potato finishes, or when you see like the water level, got a couple of UI elements for that. Okay. I forgot to do that. No, I am gonna probably end the stream pretty soon because I'm trying to fix my sleep schedule, and we're getting to that point where I actually have to be a responsible adult. So I'm just gonna quickly look here to see what we got. Or better yet, what I could do is I could look up. Let's see, in-game UI. Good. Better yet, let's see. We want a player name tag. Good job.
Hey. God damn, you do so much damage.
FPS player name. Overhead. Good job. Okay, let's get this going. Okay. Thought this would be super straightforward. It was not. Let's just finish this here. Come on. Maybe I can just figure it out. Maybe I can be smart.
I swear.
Grid map. Woodfire, do you have an idea of what I should do? Or how I should approach this? Because we are going to be flying blind for the next X amount of times because I have no idea what I'm doing here. Label. There's a label 3D. What's the thing I need? We're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. I need like the thing that allows me to fill. If that makes sense. Oh, progress bar. All right, cool. Okay. What makes a label 3D so special? It's under Geometry Instance 3D. Label 3D.
Wow.
What's so cool about you? Geometry Instance 3D. That pixel size. Where are you? Okay. What if I just add a progress bar to? Nah. Okay.
Oh god, I can't. I'm missing all the freaking. Yo, the water's got me standing.
Good old world space. Oh, look at that, it's right there. All right, 2D UI and 3D space. Global 3D. Well, projects as blah 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 blah. Diegetic UI, okay, that's kind of somewhere we want to go. Let's see somewhere we go. Is it really purely canvas layer?
I don't know. I have 27k
Nope.
MB per second. I don't even know. It feels good.
When the camera needs to set being anchored to a fixed position on the screen. Okay, this isn't quite what I want.
I did fix it. Okay. I'm sorry.
Uh,
Alright, no more. I'm not.
Okay, well, what I could do, yeah, God. What I could do now is I can learn how to speak. But, what is Visual Instance 3D? One last just kind of scroll through stuff just to see what we're looking at here. I got decal. I want a decal. Level 3D is so close, dude. Someone screen notified live. Yeah, it's gotta be level 3D. Okay, let's just call this one water level label. Duplicate it, we'll get growth, progress, label, neat, and texts. Look at that. Percent, cool. And yep. Okay. Yep, better than nothing, dude. And let's make the growth. Oh, let me turn off the light real quick. Okay. let's finish this up. I think once I get this, then we can just have a better view of like what's what, and maybe we can add like I don't know. Well, let's save more UI stuff for tomorrow. I want to get close. We're pretty close to actually like being able to finish a good chunk of the economic stuff. I think I said one of my own dreads. Great. So right now, let's just get this done. Call it a night for here, and then we will move on to bigger and better. I still ate more of my hair, dude. Love having long hair because I haven't needed to get a haircut in a while. Hate it because I think I eat more of my own hair than I actually consume food. All right, so we got our water level and we have our that's. Let's just make that a unique name and go to our potato patch script here. And let's just make a couple of onReady var water level label. So label 3D and it's equal to U. And make another onReady var growth level label is equal to label 3D again equal to this guy right here. And we will just I guess set that on I don't have a what's it called? I don't have an update function. But I do have a growth timer and I have a water timer function, and what I can do for that is, let's see, I can mess around with this code to make it less gross. If current water level is less than or equal to 0, or the potato growth is that, can grow is equal to false. Don't need to worry about that. But in other cases, that is equal to true. And we got this right here, which means all I have to do is I need to get the potato growth. So just hit the label. Dude, why can't I? Growth progress label. God. Growth level label dot text is equal to what I set it to here?
Actually, we're gonna have to do this anyways because we're gonna have to do
Growth level. Growth level. And plus str of current potato growth plus that. Sick. And then we got that. And on the water level timeout, pretty much the same thing, except what we want to do is we want our water level label dot text is equal to water level that plus str of current water level plus, there we go. Radical. All right. Yeah, this should work. Let's try this out. Yay!
Oh, the Onyx Chain Blaster.
Let's see if this works. Okay, cool. Max potato growth. If current potato growth is less than or equal to, is current potato growth never good? Clamp is inclusive, isn't it? Okay. Weird. Because it's never 90, I guess? If current potato growth is less than, greater than or equal to max potato growth, potato mass visual is equal to true. Else that. Weird. Okay. And let's get the on water, and we'll just have this. And what I'll probably do later is I'll add an update. I'll just have like an update label function. I think it's called every time interaction occurs. Yay, blip. Nice, 30%, 40%.
Am I bound? What? Wait, I'm so confused. What's going on? 10 seconds. We can somehow survive for 10 seconds. Okay, that's 4 damage.
Okay.
Wait, is he still here? Oh,
Don't know why
that's so
it's
doable.
doing that. I wonder if I can do like current growth. Let's see. Okay, you know, this is fine for now. I do need it to update this guy here. Once it finishes. Let's not reset water. Oh, no, you're not crazy, Lewis. I'm being driven crazy sometimes, though. It's my little brother. He's playing late game or late mid game Terraria Calamity right now. But welcome to the stream. This is what happens. Is the current water level to not be 0 when this occurs? Why are we freaking out here?
Wait, no? Oh my god.
What did I just do?
I'm frozen.
Okay. I guess
I'm
I
frozen?
control
He
it.
actually he actually did.
Yeah, you're catching me on the tail end of the
It's
stream
the same
too.
sound effect and everything. He actually saw my-
Because he's only gonna get louder from here. If can grow. Oh, you know
I
what?
guess maybe, okay, let's just find them together, I guess.
If current potato growth is greater than or equal to. When I set it to that.
Try again.
Oh yeah, and you know what? Here's the problem. Here's another problem we're having here. Our growth level is never, oh shoot, being updated properly.
Dude, I'm just like, I'm stuck at the top.
Let's put that up here. And we're gonna do that, and we're just gonna interact with this guy here. See what's going on, see what's going on. I'm thinking it's just purely because of that, I hope. Yeah, okay, cool. And if current potato growth, let's see what I do to change that. If current potato growth is greater than or equal to max potato growth,
I'm frozen.
potato max physical yeah, okay, that's cool. Max potato growth should be 100. I guess I could just do plus 10 on this guy right here. If current potato growth is less than, then start the timer, plus 10. I'm gonna throw this in there just to see if that fixes that.
I'm actually chilling right now. I'm chilling.
And just interact with that guy, let the
Are you
potatoes
serious? Why did it suck
go
in
up.
space? I can't.
There's a lot of stuff I'm gonna have to change here, just to make sure this actually looks right.
Oh my god! I can't.
Oh yeah, now I clamped it. Okay, whatever. This works, kind of. We're gonna back it up here, and we're just gonna say, let's see. Work in progress.
5 seconds.
Cell system.
I think you died. You're joking.
Selling, basic selling works.
It's hella funny hearing that. Not gonna lie. Alright, I'm gonna fire.
Added some functional labels to potato patch to show growth better.
I can't move.
Cool. Always end the stream by backing up projects. Fantastic habit to get into. But yeah,
Where's he? Yes!
Voidify on
I
YouTube
told you
and
we could do it. I knew we
Lewis.
could do it.
Hope to see you guys in the next stream because I'm doing a little quicker stream tonight. You guys joined in at the tail end, but
He gives you a boost.
yes, little little helpful. I'm not even gonna plug my is this E or NA? This is NA.
No, but we wouldn't even be here. We wouldn't even be here without
We're just broken there. This is a NA Pacific time. So right now for me it is currently 9:10 p.m. or military time. What is that? That's 23. No, it's 21:10 p.m. But yeah, that is gonna do it for today's stream. Lewis, you just woke up at 6 a.m. Oh. Hey, thanks for the follow, Lewis. Sorry that yeah. Sorry that the widget is broken here. I'll start streaming a little bit later, or actually just like trying to change up my times, because you're not the first time someone from the EU has joined in and had a completely different time period. I'm just really bad at getting my times right. But yeah, hope to see you in the next one, and that's gonna do it for today. Next time I work on this, we'll probably be getting closer to finishing up the selling and working on the stock market component of it. I'm really excited to get to that, because once we're doing that, we can start getting a little bit of a cleaner setup, so we can just have a simple farming game to work on. Then we can add the combat if necessary, but it's kind of necessary. The shotgun is a necessity for this game. Hey, thank you. I didn't drink 2 energy drinks today, so it's open. Appreciate it. But yeah, before I head off, a special thanks to RD for joining the stream. Great to see you again. Thanks to Voidify for hopping in. Hope to see you in the next one. You only said one thing, but it was very apt. And Lewis Does Games, thank you for joining in, and thank you for the follow. Hope you have a great day, starting at 6 a.m. Can't think of a better time to start your day. But yeah, this is a lot of fun, and I will see you guys around the same time tomorrow. Peace. Stream ending.